Okay, we are live. I have to edit the thumbnail. That is day 6 of life project building. Okay. Okay, I think everything is clear. Oh my hair. Okay, let's start it. We were on my project. Uh, let's just set up environment, and so we have my project here. There we have a project folder and we have a blog up. And okay, let's clear this. And let's just okay, so I have a habit of putting my code on right side and preview on left side. So let's just see what we have done till now. And MongoDB connection error, why? I don't know. I think there is kind of problem in, let me see. I have a proper internet connection, still it is not connecting to MongoDB. Oh, that's why. No, here we have MongoDB connection error. It is an error. I don't know why it is, but it is. But we will check this when we are designing the backend architecture. For now, we are designing the front end completely. We have this. I don't know. It is not proper. It is not proper. Let's just made Claude to make this, and just like it make our explore page. Okay, it just make our about page. Okay. Okay, let's just make our Claude to make the, I think, price card. Okay, price template. Okay, so design, I have to design a component for pricing, that are price card, classical, responsive, not classical, just responsive, and having two plans, basic and like silver and gold, silver and gold plans, and in both, and for both there is provision for monthly and yearly. In HTML, CSS and JS. Let us see what it designed. Till then we'll okay, I think this is great. I think this is great. We have pricing, we have a profile card. It is working for every page. It is working on explore page. I don't know if it is working. Okay, it is not working on explore page. I have to fix something so that it will work on this explore page, but on the every other page it is working fine. And I have to figure one thing, as I am just typing like understanding, so it is just giving me this card, but I don't want, I just want suggestions, because it is too expensive. It become too costly to generate UI at the time of this search. I just want a list. When I'm going to list the related things, it will be part of backend. And here we have particular things that all these items are going merge into this. Okay, I don't know why it is, but it is merging inside this. what is this card container? Card container has less padding, I think, so I should have go to uh, explore.css and card container. There is a card container. I have to find the card container. Okay, here we have the card container. The padding is quite low, it should be 40 pixel. Margin top, okay, margin top will be 20 pixel. We have this border, we have this padding, and we have this margin. Margin 50 pixel, still it is not working. I don't know why. Okay, it is working, it is quite working. I just have not refreshed it properly. Margin will be 50 pixel. I think it will work. Okay, it is working fine. Okay, it is working fine properly. Now we have the certain things. Okay, we do have profile card, we do have the things. I think we should have this icon here, due to whenever I just drop down this, we can know about the trending section, our subscribers and all things. Okay, here we have profile section. Okay, we can put all the stuff there in the profile. Okay, our subscription, manage things, stuffs, all the things. Okay, we should not to design. Okay, okay, let's design something. Okay, we have this HTML part. Let us see it is working or not in our testing. So where is my testing? So I have a testing here, just paste everything here. I have my testing.js file and testing.css file. So I have to copy the every stuff that is CSS. So where is my testing.css? Here it is. And where is my JS file? And my JS file is here. So let us see how it is working. Okay, everything is working fine. I have to remove this testing. Now I have to add all the stuffs in my testing.ejs. Here we have css slash testing.css, and we have to add the script, that is js slash testing.js. Then I will go for testing. Here we have this card, golden card and silver card. Okay, it is quite good, it is quite good. We have a component, it is a responsive component. It is quite good. Just color मेरा थोड़ा, I'm not satisfied with color. Okay, I'm not like satisfied with color combination. Try related to silver and gold. Do classical look to it. Classical looks is kind of देखने में ना अच्छा लगता है, sharp boundaries, as we do have in Apple. If you see in Apple, if you see anything in Apple like font, if you see the in the Windows, it is quite, boundaries are quite blur, but you see in Apple, you see everything is quite sharp. Okay. And if you see the CRAD application, if you are using it, CRAD application, you see everything is quite classical. It is so it is changing its CSS. Okay, I just need only the CSS. Okay, we have to change only CSS. Let me do. Okay. No. Okay, do add cross marks that are not available in basic plan. Okay, and try some other color combination. It is worse than before. अब अपनी थीम क्या होगी? अपनी थीम है वाइट थीम, है ना? इफ यू सी आवर लोकल होस्ट, आई विल चेंज दिस पेज, बट वी सी द एक्सप्लोर पेज, our theme is quite white. Okay, later we will add there a theme changing button, so we can switch from lighter to darker. Do add our class. We have to update our HTML now. Okay, /s/ I have to when I'm going to next prompt, I will ensure that he will create code according to this route. Every time I have to change this, but this work I can do as I'm saving my time to write the code naively. And we have CSS, where it is CSS file, where is my CSS file? Here it is. And okay, just go for now how it is. Okay, let's design this component into our okay now design a landing page, like Netflix, not exactly same, but on front, on front the first page will be same. Like in center div there will be two buttons, one is explore and other is get started, and then both sections like top creator and trending, like trending now, top 5, and top creator will be top 3, and then add this, and then do this, add price plans. Okay, and make page lengthier, adding some things like that should be added according to your convenience, and I will add, but like do not add navigation footer, and do not add navigation footer and about us, about comma, policies, comma, about policies, and contact, as I already made different pages for that. Okay. So it is designing home page for me. There will be a plan, so there will be a blog explore place, it will work fine. Okay, when we go for YouTube, how it's look like, we have thumbnail and this is okay. The cards are quite good, but is not in fixed ratio, so let us make quad in cards in the ratio of it is quite good, but DevOps, programming, data science, mobile dev. Okay, it's designing something. Okay, I think it is a design the home page, and let us go for testing.js, and we have HTML, here we have CSS, and here I think we have JavaScript for this particular thing. Okay, now we have to just add the मुझे इसके लिए ना स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी पड़ेगी एक शॉर्टकट के लिए, जो भी मैं टेक्स्ट चाहूँ बाद में उसे मैं इसे प्रिंट करा दूँ ऐसे। Testing is not working. We have CSS testing.css, and there we have js testing.js. Okay, I think I have to import some. अरे मैंने एक्सप्लोर पेज तो नहीं बदल दिया कहीं? एक्सप्लोर इज वर्किंग फाइन. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Here we have testing file. I don't know these placeholder kind of things. Okay. Slash images slash source.png, I think. Command Z. I have to replace it with we have a public we have images slash images image, and we have default.png, and we have to everyone has a different URL. इसमें तो कहीं URL नहीं है अब. Still it is not working. I don't know why. You see, it is refuse to apply style from CSS testing not testing because it's my type is text HTML. It is not supported. Style sheet MIM type MIM checking is enabled. MIM type, I don't know. Why it is refusing to accept this? I do have the same route for testing.ejs. Testing है testing, it should be testing, bro. What am I doing? Not follower, it should be listeners. Not listeners, it should be watcher or like viewers. Viewer, not readers. Okay. Watch on any device. Download and watch offline. Create your files for everyone. Choose your plan. It is too brilliant. It is too brilliant. थीम को हम ब्लैक बैकग्राउंड की जगह वाइट बैकग्राउंड से करें तो so okay, everything is good, but can you make theme with white background? ब्लैक ही ठीक रहेगा, बट ब्लैक शुड बी, इट्स लाइक प्रॉपर नेटफ्लिक्स. ओके, we are trending now. We have top 3 creators, our top creators. It will be the one of my best project in terms of UI. That's the industry require. I'll make it product readiness. And okay, here we have CSS. It will change, I think it will change the JS or not. I don't think it will change the JS, but it is quite good. It is quite good. It is good, it is quite good. And we have an explore page, and it will redirect to our explore. Cannot get explore. Okay, there we will redirect it to here. And if we are getting, just go for testing. we have this kind of things, and it is quite responsive. Okay, now we can do the navigation bar here, and we will add the, so I think it's to add on the home.css. home.js, and we have a hero section. We should add this on home.ejs. Here we have home.ejs and the body container. Oh my god. आई थिंक ये div कंटेनर का है. When we go for main.css, here we have body container, margin button will be 0. गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ एंड वी डू हैव हेयर यहाँ पे कुछ थोड़ी सी, ये क्या है, बॉडी, व्हाट इज दिस इज बॉडी। बॉडी के ऊपर पैडिंग आ रखी है थोड़ी सी ना, बॉडी के ऊपर पैडिंग क्यों देनी है, बॉडी कंटेनर के ऊपर पैडिंग दे देते हैं ना, वाई शुड गिव द पैडिंग टू बॉडी, बॉडी कंटेनर के ऊपर पैडिंग देते हैं। Unlimited movie shows that not this unlimited stories, incidents, and more. Unlimited incidents, stories, and more. Ready to read? Okay, we have to profile icon. What should we use? What should we use? This. Okay, we have to move that icon. Where it is? Okay, we got two pics. Just go for project. Where is my project? Here it is, and now we have to go for project. Blog up. and this is in public. Okay, we have to go public, and then images. Why there is a route? I think it. There is nothing here. There is nothing. What I get, yaar, bro. That's not fair. Project. Okay. We are working in this public, and we have this CSS images, and we have this defaulted image. It does contain this. But here it is not visible. I don't know why. We can use this. Restore it. Default to. Let us make it default. Still not able to see that. Okay, we will see later what is going to happen here. But let us designing it. Just tell me one thing. It is quite. Let me see my stream how it is going. Frames are not dropped. Everything working fine. Okay. It's been 45 minutes. Okay, now we have to do is let us create. I don't know. I don't like this kind of background or the color themes here. So I have to make this color theme. So I have to see the top color combination. Let us found color combination. Best classical color combination for web. I am just designing this kind of thing. There we have white and black. Okay, navy blue and white. It is not that good. Gray, charcoal, and soft blue. And I don't like this. White, gray, and black. Yes. Okay, and now we can design. Okay, make colors like this theme and use variables so that we can change, or if or add lighter and dark buttons. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. So that we can change, or so that we can change or lighter or darker functionality in future. I have to design my color combination that are primary color, secondary color, tertiary for border this, for border this in variable, and we have to I will place this combination into my main css file so that I can use anywhere in my page. Okay, for example, I have the login page. It's like, what happened to our login page? I know what is the problem when we go for routes. Login, sign up, current is login, current page is sign. Login, sign up. Profile is working fine. Okay, just go for home. My this is designing. That will be home.css and that will be home.js. थीम तो चेंज ही नहीं हुई यार. I'm not seeing any difference. Okay. Bro, it is not working. I don't know why. When I go for policies, it should work now. Okay, this is navigation bar. Why it is not working? I got to know about why it was not working at that time. Okay, so in this privacy policy, okay, do we need this kind of, okay, let's about color combination. Oh, what we want now, the color combination we will see it later. Now what we want now, we just want what we want now. Color combination, just choose a color. What color should I choose? And let me browse some let me browse some YouTube to have the color combination. Okay, like color combinations for websites.
Powerful websites you should know. Part 252. Did you know?
Okay, so I may get the copyright due to running the video. Should I blur it? Let me add a section. How to add? Not a chroma key. I just want to add the blur effect. I should delete this. Sharpen. Oh no, that is not we wanted. I just wanted a I just wanted a blur effect. I don't know about this. Okay. Okay, I'll add back later. So your color combination kind of we will see it later. For now we just doing the for now we are just doing the things. Okay. Limited stories read more cancel anytime. Here we have get started with our plans, and here we have explore. We have these things. Unlimited and that our plans and ready to watch get started now. And there we have this kind of things. Okay, join millions of users online continue. Okay, it is good, it is good, it is good. Now we have done the home page. Okay, it is quite good home page, and we have our explore page. Okay, now for any whenever I click on a like any blog, just like any article slash उसकी आईडी होगी. So whenever I open any article, so it should open now I have to create the paging like main page. Okay, good. Now create a page for reading that blog or article blog. Okay, it will have like it will like have it's kind of scrolling like stuff, or we can paging like book. Okay, it should have a book, it should have a book or a paging. What should we have? It's like a book page system, and below it have the comment section and like plus follow and share option. Okay. Mm-hmm. And while reading it should have a feature of marking the content, like bookmark, in HTML, CSS and JS. Okay, let us create a new file. That will be the article or any blog.ejs. Where it blog.ejs? Okay, we have a blog.ejs, so we can rename it. Okay, old blog and we can create a new file with blog.ejs. We have all the content and cut it, and we can make a blog.js file, and we can make here blog.css, and let us see what we are getting from home cut blog.ejs. Okay, we have this, and for styling, is it done? Yes, it is done. It is too big project, that's why it's taking too much time, but I got to know how to create the UI. Okay, before it I was doing the stuffs, not using these kind of. Okay, but now I know I just have to make the backend architecture or the main logic part, and just I can design the basic UI system in a few hours. Okay, blog.js, I know how to do the things now. Okay, we have this file, we have blog.css, main.css, cut it, and blog.js. Okay, we have a JS, and we have a blog.js. At the top we have a CSS, and we have a blog.css. Now we are going for any article, or we are going for blog. Cannot get blog, we have to use our app.js, and I have to make a route for it. That will be the blog, and that will be the blog. Okay, so I have to restart my server. It's just getting what I. Okay, future of web development. Okay, John Doe, we have this kind of time for a minute. Okay, It is quite good. It is quite good. Okay. ये भी बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है. You can just write it. You can just write the MD code, and it will get the MD code. It is quite good, but we want some improvement there. This is title, this is John Doe, this is December. When we click on this profile, the profile code should be equals. Okay, now we have to figure it out. हमें चीज़ों को क्या करना है. तो बुक मार्क. Okay, there will be follow or following, share, copy link, Twitter, LinkedIn, copy link. These are basic UI. It is not classical, so we have to make it some. So okay, okay, all functionalities are good, but make UI more classical. Here we have a comment section. It is working fine. आई थिंक वी हैव डन टुडे. मैंने ये कार्ड को मैं अच्छी तरह बना दूँ, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है. It is writing some CSS and I have to. Everything is good. What can we do? There's a blog. Okay. Development workflow from code completion to entire features. Revisualizing developer works. Modern EDEs are start. हम इसमें एक स्टार्ट डिटेल ऐड फंक्शनलिटी ऐड कर सकते हैं, वो मैं बाद में कर दूंगा. कि आपका एक पार्टनर होगा जो इस स्ट्रिंग को ऐसे कर्सर को अपने आप मूव करेगा. टूल्स डोंट डेवलप PS, इंस्टेड दे एम्प्लीफाई द कैपेबिलिटीज ऑफ हैंडल. ओके, हम ये वी विल डू दिस एज अ फीचर. ओके, वी विल मेक दैट फीचर इन like basic plan, and it is a good feature. So I have to write it out, my feature. Auto cursor moving feature. We have done with our अरे यार, it is creating vintage look. Let me read some blogs, articles about AI के ऊपर आर्टिकल्स पढ़ते हैं कुछ. We have this kind of page and we just reading this, and we have certain kind of links. Okay, we have this kind of links and images. We don't want the images, unnecessary images. Why we require it? We just want important points, and we just want a story. It's like a book. It should be like a book. Okay, just you are reading a book. So I don't like this theme, like not vintage theme, just like use colors as it was like मैंने कुछ दिए थे ना कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. These are the color combination and like reading book feeling. Okay, and button okay, to switch to dark mode. And also features that comments or likes are comments, not all. Top likes, waving off to top animation. Yeah, that's it. जो मैंने पिछला CSS था, इट इज़ क्वाइट गुड. यहाँ पर चीज़ें हैं. नेक्स्ट प्रीवियस ये पेज का सिस्टम है. कंक्लूजन एंड दिस. ये लाइक का आइकन नहीं लगाना मुझे, इसका मुझे वो लगाना है. नॉट है ये तो वो है, क्या बोलते हैं उसे, आई शुड बी लाइक ए यूट्यूब का सिस्टम क्लासिकल मतलब फंक्शनल है. लाइक इफ आई एम गो फॉर माई सिस्टम क्लासिकल मतलब आई हैव दिस एंड देन फॉर कमेंट I have this kind of thing. Slash j slash css slash it is creating. Till then we can use read more comments. It should be in black color. I will make everything black. ओके क्या कलर अपन को चुनना चाहिए अपनी इस वेबसाइट की थीम के लिए? I should choose the green, violet, any one color. Black is of Uber color. Red is of Netflix color. Mhm. I think it had designed the CSS. CSS कर दिया. This is JS. Let us see how it is looking like. अरे यार इसने हैंड वेव ही कर बना दिया. मुझे हैंड वेव नहीं चाहिए. ओके ओके गुड. I was telling not hand waving for top 10 comments. Stuck. I was asking to will like while reading and reading like at 10% and at 20% at 30% and at 40%. Reading them, then some comments. The text or content should go animated as likes are going here. I have to build a beautiful architecture for this backend architecture. For blogging, I have already have the comment and blog related. I have to extra storage for bookmarking and the followers here, font. I have this card and I have to just in front end I just need two more cards. One is profile card when you click the user's profile, and the second is where you can see all of the blog related to this. Okay, and the second is okay, we can add this into explore page, like we have explore page, and we can these kind of cards just we have to add the in the top we have to add the profile here, and we can do the same. And for profile and for creating, like if you want to create some blog, just create. I will answer two page, either simple text or do write your md.md file, or just upload the md file. Okay, when you are going to upload the md file, your text will be generated, and according to I will have this md. Okay, I'll use that md. I think. I have to remove that. I just comment it out, not removing it, commenting it. कमेंट सेक्शन का ना मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. ये जो भी एनिमेशन हो रहा है ना, इसका स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई हैव टू स्लो इट डाउन. It's going too fast. authentic. It is working. This will be my final decision. Like, eight seven 770 के around. So I have to find video queries about 770, 780, 800, 7. Where are media queries? 768. When we go, जब भी 768 पे होता है तो मेरा जो फ़ॉन्ट पैनल है ना, फ़ॉन्ट पैनल, इसके विड्थ को 100% मत करो. अब भाई बुक मार्क आ गया. बुक मार्क से हटने का कोई तरीका नहीं है क्या? Okay, whenever it is going to be Now there is not any problem. iPhone XE, it is working fine. We have to go. Hmm? Hmm. Bookmark panel and $375 पे को लगाना पड़ेगा. 380. $400 पे फॉन्ट छोटा करते हैं सबका. In this CSS, make all fonts also variable. पन्ने पन्ने सालन लोग का. Once we have created this, I have created this. Okay. Now it's time to go. Today I have generated this beautiful blog page and we have generated the home page. Okay. Now our plan for today is for tomorrow is to generate the upload page and profile page. After this our UI is completed, then we'll move forward towards back end. But before back end we will give it to one day to tune this UI and tune the every page structure according to our back end structure. Okay. Either we should have created backend first fully functional, then after creating the backend we can tune the UI, or we can go either way. We will see it after designing those pages. Okay. Okay, now this thing, we have a font size 4 action. Font size 3 action. We have to remove the extra margin top. अच्छा इट इज पैडिंग ना. थीम टॉगल 20 पिक्सल. Okay, that was the theme toggle. What is this? Let me check. बुक पेज. ठीक है तो ये बुक पेज if I write 0 pixel. Dot reading container margin. Dot reading container. Copy this. Go for here. Margin 0 pixel auto. आर्टिकल टाइटल फॉन्ट साइज ये हो गया. अभी जोन डो ये सब ये कौन से कार्ड हैं ये. ऑथर नेम. ऑथर नेम. ऑथर नेम. That's why this should be. REM कोई कम कर दो ना. Like how to define your REM. How to define REM. REM को अगर मैं कम कर दूंगा 400 पिक्सल का तो ये अकॉर्डिंगली ये अपने आप एडजस्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है. सो HTML का फॉन्ट साइज डिफाइन कर दूंगा 100 पिक्सल. रूट फॉन्ट साइज हो जाएगा. ओके. Then when I'm going here, then it was 4 pixel na? We don't need to just HTML and font size we will define the 8 pixel. But it is not, everything is gone, everything is quite. comment text. Let me check. सिक्सटीन पिक्सल का है. ये टेक्स्ट है ना. font size, go for top. Font size base, one. Font size will be SM. Theme toggle, font size 6XL. Article title 6XL is good. Author name, it is LG. It is good. not LG, XL. It should be XL. Okay, XL will be better. इनके बीच में पैडिंग कम करनी पड़ेगी, इनकी विड्थ हाइट सेट करनी पड़ेगी। दो चीज़ें फैल रही हैं। देखिए कमेंट फैल रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों, ओवरफ्लो कर रहा है। ओके, इट इज़ वर्किंग फाइन राइट नाउ। वो कमेंट का अपन देख लेंगे जो भी सिस्टम है। सो इसको यहीं एंड करते हैं, अब कल देखेंगे। अपना ये पेज बन चुका है, कल हमें 2 पेज बनाने। दैट 2 पेज विल बी, वन इज़ प्रोफाइल पेज एंड अदर इज़ टू अपलोड पेज। Then our UI will be completed, and then we can start our backend designing, and I think we will enjoy in backend designing. So okay, that's it for today. हमने क्या किया, एक तो हमने ये ब्लॉग पेज बनाया एंड एक हमने होम पेज बनाया। ओके, ये सर्वर लाइक आई हैव क्विट माय विजुअल स्टूडियो, तो मशीन इज़ नॉट रनिंग। ओके, तो लेट्स